First possession goes to Manama Slasher. Number 22, Soy. Pinapatay ni Soy pa rin. Basket grab. Ball on number 43. Bonus shot is good. Robocop. Pass to Pagaduan. 13 seconds to shoot. Pass to Robocop. Pabata tira, wala. Rebound by De Los Angeles. Pass to Mr. Duaño. 2 points on number 43, Mr. Duaño. Soy, Kiason, pass to number 18, pull up J, wala, rebound by Soy. Pass to Mr. Pagaduan. Pagaduan, nagagawa pamasahan. 30 seconds to shoot, Mr. Soy. Duaño, wala, rebound by number 18. Number 22, Kiason, coast-to-coast drive, layup, it's good. Del Rosario, pass to Duaño, pass to Mr. Sawal, to Pagaduan. 15 seconds to shoot. Del Rosario, pass to Duaño, pabata tira, it's good. Back-to-back basket between number 43. Albis, the point guard, pass to Tolosa, traveling yan, Pacquiao. Del Rosario set in the play, pass to Pagaduan, pull up jumper, pabata tira, it's good. 2 points on you, number 1, Mr. Pagaduan. Tolosa, intercept by Pagaduan, same ball, same possession. Number 18, pass to Kiason, to Tolosa, itira ng Dwes, wala, in and out, rebound by Duaño, pass to Pagaduan. Pagaduan, pass to Del Rosario. Foul on number 16. First personal foul, first team foul. Pagaduan. 10 seconds to shoot. De Los Angeles. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Number 16, Tolosa. Foul on number 2. Mr. De Los Angeles. First personal foul, second team foul. First throw is good. Second throw, wala. Rebound by number 18. Put back, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Mr. Kiason. Pass to Tolosa. Steal by Mr. Pagaduan. Bullet pass to Del Rosario. Back to Pagaduan. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound by Robocop. Put back. Foul on number 18. Foul on number 18. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws to number 23. Mr. Sawal. First throw, wala. Second throw mo tayo. Second throw, wala pa rin. Rebound by Mr. Cruz. Coast to coast drive, magating ang bola, same ball. Cruz Intercept by Mr. De Los Angeles. Pass De Los Angeles. Pass to Mr. Sawal. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Mr. Cruz. Cruz, coast to coast. May hawak na dyan. Foul on number 28. Del Rosario. First personal, 13 foul. Tolosa. Pass to Alvis. Humege. Nilapit. Alvis, 13 seconds shot clock. Alvis, tumira 2 points sa iyo, Mr. Alvis. Del Rosario. Del Rosario discarded 15 seconds shot clock. Pagkaduan, pull-up jumper, wala, rebound by Tolosa. Pass break to Mr. Alvis, layup is good. Del Rosario. Pass to Duaño. Pass back to Del Rosario, 13 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 22. Jump ball.
23.
Solid one ball.
23.
23. Sawal out. The beat in. Duaño pass to Del Rosario. Del Rosario de discarte. Pabanan hira 2 points sa inyo, Mr. Del Rosario. Dalawa lang ang laban ng Malabon Staffer. Tolosa, pass to Soy. Pull up J, wala, rebound by number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Rebound by Mr. Duaño. Nakuha ni Mr. Davidan to Mr. Del Rosario. Del Rosario, pass to Soy. Soy, grab pass to Del Rosario. 2 points for you, Mr. Del Rosario. Back-to-back basket on you. Alvis. Titira ng dress. Wala, rebound by Soy. Pass to David. Sibol. De Los Angeles out. Silver in. Del Rosario out. Bison in. Pagaduan. Pass to Dizon. Back to Pagaduan. Back to Dizon. 15 seconds to shoot. Reverse by David. Wala. Rebound by Alvis, pull up jumper. Wala, rebound by Tolosa. Naiwan si Mr. Gison. Oy, travel violation yan. 18 out, number 18 for Malabon. Pagaduan, Pege. Pull up Jane, it's good. Tumayin sa inyo, Mr. Pagaduan. Change mirror. Pagkao pass to Alvis. 15 seconds to shoot. Cruz. Tumira 2 points sa inyo, Mr. Cruz. Dead up all 12. Pagaduan. Short. Rebound by Tolosa. Magmamadali si Mr. Tolosa. Pass to Alvis. Alvis. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Ginto. Ginto. Pass to Dizon. Back to Ginto. One-handed shot. Wala. Rebound by Caso. By Alvis. Alvis. Stop and pop. Wala. Rebound by Tolosa. Back to Albis. Albis pa rin. Short. Rebound by number 28. Wala mo rin. Rebound by Pagaduan. Pagaduan pa rin. Tumira. Ball on number 22. Timeout. Malaban Slasher. Time remaining 2 minutes and 2 seconds. First personal audio number 22.